What's up, guys? So decided to come outside and get some air and really think about what I was going to do with this video. So yesterday I started changing my oil, and I had no idea why I was recording this because I didn't want to make an oil changing video, but I decided to turn this into free promo for FCP Euro. If you guys have a European car, BMW, anything German, Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, FCP Euro is your go-to source for parts, fluids, maintenance items, whatever you need. Obviously I only use it for the BMW community, but they service all of the European car market. So with that said, I ordered my oil change kit from them on Wednesday. Nope, I take that back. Ordered it on Thursday, came on Friday. They're based out of Milford, Connecticut. Me being 203 E90, 203 means that's the area code for Connecticut. I was happy to find out that little happy fact. I should have known that, but yeah, proud to support anything in Connecticut. But with FCP, the big thing there is they come with a lifetime warranty or guarantee. So I'm gonna break out my phone instead of sitting here and talking about it. I'll just show you because it's this simple. So, all right, let's get to this. So you go to the FCP Euro page. Right there, top of the home page, you hit lifetime replacement. And their motto is right there: buy any part from FCP Euro. Use it, abuse it, wear it out, replace it at any time, brag about the parts to your friends. And it's this simple. You order something from FCP Euro. When you're ready to replace it, you buy the new part. Once you receive the new part, swap it out and send the old part back. This applies to oil as well. There's a little form you have to fill out, put it in there with your package before you pack everything back up and send it to them. That's it. It applies to fluids and all that. Seeing how this is my first oil change and my first purchase from them, it's not eligible. But on my next one, what I do is buy the next oil change kit in 5,000 miles when I'm ready, and I fill out my form, change my oil, put the old oil in the containers, wrap it back up, send it back to them, and they apply my credits. Simple as that. That works for any and every other part from them. So please take advantage of FCP Euro. What's up, people? So it's the middle of the afternoon on a Thursday. I decided to pick the hottest day of the week, which is also the driest day of the week because it's been raining the whole time, to change my oil. And as soon as I changed out of work clothes and put the oil flush in the car, I get hit with, oh, dinner reservations at 7:30 on the other side of Brooklyn. So I gotta do this, make sure everything checks out, and get cleaned up, go to the other side of Brooklyn, which I'm probably not gonna drive to, come back home, hopefully, then drive the car out to our Thursday night New York Beamers meet out in Hempstead at Burger City. But anyways, right now, got the liquid moly oil flush in there. It says leave it in there at idle speeds for 10 minutes. I have 1:30 left on my timer for that. And then we're gonna get to this oil change. I don't think I really need to do a whole video on changing oil because know this, and there's a million other videos. So I guess this is just a vlog. This will be a vlog day for maintenance, and we'll follow up with some of the paint because it has rained for 3 days since I did all the clay and wash and wax and everything. So it will be a good follow-up for a quick car care maintenance paint update. So let's get to it. So I did one whole 5 liter, I guess, jug of liquid moly, a 1 liter bottle, and about a half, just to gauge it right. My conversions might be off, but essentially 7 liters is equal to about 7.5 quarts. So what we're gonna do is start the car, let it measure, and see where we're at. I should be pretty close. Plus, you never drain all the oil out of your oil pan when you change it. I mean, it's just impossible due to the physics, size of the pan, shape, and all that stuff. So I'm going inside, let it measure up, and then we'll see where we're at. So before this comes up, I'm gonna guess I'm a quarter quart low. Just throwing an estimate, just to see if I'm still good at measuring this stuff. I'm probably about a quarter quart low, or less. So I'm guessing that's like 2 bars off of max. So I could be around half a quart to a quarter quart, but I'm going with a quarter quart. So let's see how close I am to eyeballing this measurement. Alright guys, so I just finished adding more oil. I'm gonna start it up. I should have did this before, but it's incredibly quiet under here with the liquid moly. After the flush, it's a little creepy, and even when it turns off, it's incredibly quiet. So I'll wait for all this traffic to pass, but it's worth noting, this stuff actually does make a difference. So I just had to ride around, turn it off, turn it back on, let it repeat. So just in case you're wondering, 7 liters is not 7 quarts. Put all 7 liters in, you're probably gonna be a little bit over. Is it enough to hurt something? I have no idea. I'm trying to find out. So be careful what you measure. All right, simple as that. We're done. So changed the oil. Took me like 30 minutes to get the cap off, and then I realized I do have my oil cap wrench after I struggled trying to get it off. So I definitely used it to put it back on. Simple job. I'm not going to show you guys how to change oil. It's fairly self-explanatory. And if it's not, then probably shouldn't be doing these type of DIYs, but I appreciate you looking at YouTube to figure it out. Now, my next question is, how the hell do I put the cap back on this if I want to return this oil back to FCP Euro and get or exercise my lifetime warranty? Because I don't know if you can see down in there, that's not designed to come off. And the cap that was on this, I guess it does screw back on, but it doesn't look like it's too secure. So maybe I'll find a bag and tape it up real good to make sure it doesn't leak in the mail, because that's really irresponsible. So of course, if you didn't enjoy, I don't care. Like, subscribe, follow, watch again. Give me the good thumbs up, and we'll keep it going. But until next time, let's get into it.